So today I'm going to be doing a review of Frank Body, which I'm super excited about because it's a coffee-based, natural, cruelty-free, vegan skincare line. And first of all, let's talk about the coffee part. I love coffee. So the fact that this is a coffee-based product line is perfect for me. Now, it doesn't actually smell like coffee, really. I mean, the coffee scrub smells the most like coffee, like this bad boy. But it smells, the smell of all of the, or some of the, not all of them, some of the products don't have a scent, but the smell of the, like the smell of the body cream, and let me smell this one. This one just a little bit, like the body cream and something, there's one other thing. They have like an incense smell, like it's very earthy. It's not, I don't love the smell of incense, but I love the results so much of this that I could not care less what it smells like. And it doesn't seem to last at all on, like the smell doesn't last at all on the skin. So it's really not that big of a deal. So I ordered the All or Nothings kit, the Triplets kit, which is like a lip product kit, and I got the lip scrub as well. It comes in this very, wow, that's bright, a little too light for this light situation we've got going on, but it's a very cute little box. I think their branding is so funny. The coffee scrub that you would put on in the shower, it says, guess what, you'll be naked in 1 minute. Like, how funny is that? And it's true. Also, they have these little butts on the packaging. I don't know if you can see it. But anyways, I personally find like their copy on their products like very, very entertaining. And if I didn't know anything about this brand, I would probably buy it just because of how funny I think it is. Like, and their creamy face scrub says, I look dirty so you can look clean. Hysterical. Each kit was sent in with a little bag that I think are adorable. This is like this is the All or Nothings kit, and it has like an F. It's like playing hangman or something, I don't know. But like, really cute drawstring bag. It's in a light pink color. Also smells of incense. I don't really know if that's the smell because I don't burn incense, but in my mind it is the smell. And then the Triplets kit comes in this cute little bag, and it says a couple of strings attached. Love it. So what came in the Triplets kit were, oh god, my grammar. What came in the Triplets kit was the lip balm and then 2 lip tints, one in Cherry Balm and one in Send Nudes. The lip balm is actually quite nice. It's very slippy, but something I noticed about all these products is that somehow, like, even though they feel kind of thick, or not all the products feel thick, but the lip balm, the lip tints, and the body cream, they feel very thick, but somehow they sink into the skin so well, like you don't even notice that you put anything on at all except that your skin feels amazing. So I do love the lip balm. I've been prepping my lips with that while I've been doing my makeup in the morning. These lip tints I really, really enjoy. They've just got a very slight tint. Let me zoom you guys in. So I'm gonna try on, this one is Cherry Balm. It doesn't really look like much, but I think it says it's buildable. I don't really know how that works. I could put on my lip gloss. So it just gives you a really nice, like, slightly red tint to your lips. Nothing really dramatic. And it tastes like sweet, almost. I mean, I know you're not supposed to taste it, but like, I guess it's the smell, and since smell and taste are combined, it has this like sweet taste, smell thing. They both do, and I love them both. So that is Cherry Balm. And then this one is Send Nudes. This one's my favorite, just because I really like the color. And that one's just a really nice, slightly lighter color than my natural lip color, but I really love it. They both feel really hydrating and nourishing. It says go topless, like T-A-U, or topless. I don't know, just freaking read the packaging, it's funny. So I'm gonna leave that on my lips because I love it. So this coffee scrub is phenomenal. I have very dry skin, and I felt like after using this, like it has that like oil from the coffee in it, obviously because it's made of coffee. It's made of coffee grounds. But I could feel, in the shower, I felt like a very thick layer of oil, but once I got out and it sunk into the skin, I swear I had I still like have such soft skin, and I judge that based on the softness of my elbows, because I have elephant elbows and they are drier than desert, and they felt amazing after using this. They still feel pretty good. I used this yesterday or the day before, and they still feel pretty moisturized. So that's a good sign. I was feeling my elbow just a jack. So I would highly recommend this. It doesn't really smell like your cup of morning coffee. Like I said, it's that blend between incense and coffee, so I don't know how else to explain that. It's not an offensive smell, and it doesn't really last. So moving on. Another product I enjoy using in the shower is the creamy face scrub. Let me squeeze a little bit of this. It's like a brown color, and it's got, what is it? I think it's crushed walnut. It's got like ground up coffee and walnuts as the exfoliant, and I really like the texture of this exfoliant. It's actually my favorite facial exfoliator I've ever used, because it's not, it seems to, like, I feel like the beads or even like the St. Ives apricot scrub, it's like the scrub things aren't concentrated enough to make me feel like I'm really exfoliating my skin. I feel like I'm just exfoliating like random dots on my face. But this, it's so fine. It looks like crap. I'll just wipe that off. It's so fine that it really gets like all over my skin, and I really like the feeling of my skin afterwards, and I really feel like it's done an excellent job exfoliating, so I would highly recommend that one. There's actually nothing that I didn't like. It's not sponsored, I just love this. Other facial products, I got the creamy face cleanser. It's not blowing my mind or anything. I haven't used it yet to take off my makeup without the Dermalogica. First, I use a dermalogical oil to get off my makeup, so I will continue to use this. If anything changes, right now I'm just kind of like, it's a good face cleanser. It doesn't irritate my face. It's very gentle. So I would say it's on par with what I'm using now, which is the Glossier Milky Cleanser, I think. I think that's what I'm using right now. It's the white tube jelly looking milky thing. But I like really gentle cleansers on my face. I've been using the Glow Mask and the Everyday Face Moisturizer. Both of these are really good. The moisturizer sinks into the skin really well. Like I said, somehow all of their products seem to just like melt into your skin in a way I've never experienced. I love them for that. So the face moisturizer is really good. It's not as thick in texture, it's a little more runny. So just something to mention. And the Glow Mask was really nice. I feel like it gave my face a really fresh, hydrated feel. It's not any funny color. The creamy face cleanser is gray. It looks like charcoal. But this is just like a really shimmery mask. But it doesn't like set down or dry really hard like a clay mask or any of those peel off masks. It's just you apply a really thick layer on your face, you leave it for 5 minutes and rinse it off. But I feel like your face is little extra glow. It's not like over the top. I would say it's a Glossier level of glow. Not Glossier Play, just Glossier level. The body cream also has that strong smell that I don't like it that much, but I mean, I freaking love how this makes my skin feel. It's incredible. It's very thick. It's thicker than the Sol de Janeiro, what is it? Boom Boom cream that I have, and I love the smell of this, but I love the moisturizing effect and the thickness of this cream more. And I believe it's cheaper. Let's check. Okay, so the Frank Body cream is half the price of the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom cream. And although I do love the smell of the Sol de Janeiro, I like the way this works better. So I think I'll be using this more as like my all over body cream now, and just use the Boom Boom cream to like put it on my arms, a little on my legs, just because I freaking love that scent. It's, oh my gosh, if that was a perfume, I'd buy like 10 bottles. The last thing I got, which wasn't in a kit, is the Lip Scrub Shimmer. It smells like lemon zest. Is there lemon in this? Let me see. I don't know. I feel like the granules in this are small enough that my lips are being exfoliated really well, just like I was talking about with the creamy face scrub. And it has a really nice taste and scent, and it's like you're eating lemon sugar. I'm not saying you should eat this. I'm not even saying you should do what I just did. But if you get it in your mouth, it tastes like lemon sugar. Okay, so it's got sugar and salt as the exfoliators. It has a citrus extract, which is supposed to give you like a natural plumping effect. And then coffee and grapeseed oil as like the moisturizing part, I guess. Excellent. I love this. This is my favorite lip exfoliator by far, because the other ones I don't really use, but this one I will actually reach for now that I have it. So that is everything that I have to say about Frank Body. If you guys are interested, I mean, definitely go check it out. I think my favorite products would be the coffee scrub, this thing, I think this is my #1, followed by the body cream and the creamy face scrub. Wait, no. I like all the lip products too. I don't have a favorite. I'm sorry. Okay, I'll pick 2. The coffee scrub and the Send Nudes lip tint. These, if I had to give everything else away, this is what I would keep. So this is me making a decision, even though I love everything. Pretty much. Well, thanks guys for watching my channel. I appreciate you coming and checking this out. If you guys like this kind of stuff, mom life, beauty, lifestyle, I don't know. I'm a big giant mess of videos. But if you guys like this kind of stuff, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I make a video. And I will see you guys on my next one. Bye!